Do you know many people are having trouble with installing the dust bag in their iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open the door. Use the pull tab to open the door and remove the debris bag drawer. Step 2. Install new bag. Install a new bag by sliding the plastic card into the guide rails. Step 3. Remove used bag. Pull the plastic card up to remove the bag from the canister and discard the used bag. Step 4. Reinstall drawer. Reinstall the debris bag drawer and close the door tightly to seal the bag. Step 5. Replace on prompt. Replace the bags when the LED indicator or app prompts you for optimal performance. By following these steps, you should now be able to properly install the dust bag in your Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other iRobot users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.